Hey, everybody! This is the Untitled channel. In this video there will be a small review of a multi-press machine, where a person who does not know how to work on it from scratch will try to make stamped products. Watch what we should get in the end. Initially, the blank is such a metal plate. There is already a hole on the laser beforehand. And at the end, this is the result we should get. Now we will show how to install such a tooling. And after that we'll get to work. Well, as we can see, we have already installed the tooling. Now I'm going to try to work on this machine. I press first, right? Yes. Do you have to press hard? Oh, I mean, like this. That's good. So you leave the workpiece like this so that it stands up. Yes. You press again, like this. A little more, a little more. Okay, it's in. Press it, I'll tell you when to stop. Just press and press. We're going to start stamping the product. We're starting the stamping procedure. It's all about stopping in time. And just like that, with a slight movement of the foot, our piece has taken the desired shape. Well, voila. That is, you can see how a person without special skills and knowledge was able to produce such a part. This machine has a control chip, which can be set certain parameters of the cylinder stroke, respectively, so that the pedal does not regulate this stroke. Then all the parts will have the same parameters. I hope this video was interesting for you. That's all. Bye, everybody.